Hi, I'm Samantha Rivera. I'm a student at Florida State University and my major is biomedical engineering. And this summer I was a Wallace-Carver fellow at the UC Davis location with Dr. Amisha Peterson and Dr. Daniel Klupfel at the USDA Crops Pathology and Genetics Research Unit. So this summer I conducted the metagenomic analysis of microbial communities in anaerobically disinfested soils in order to retrieve the metagenomically assembled genomes and understand pathogen suppression and effectiveness of different carbon sources on soils. And so we took the data from different trials and different carbon sources and analyzed them and saw the microbial communities and how that affected pathogen suppression. And this matters because it allows us to develop more effective ASD treatments for pathogen suppression through the analysis of carbon sources, as well as protecting different crops and soils and understanding how the carbon sources affect this certain treatment in farming or in any other soil practices. My favorite part of the experience was getting to work alongside many mentors that were passionate about this issue and who had extensive knowledge on soil populations and how that affects different crops, as well as using different resources in order to learn more for myself and kind of see the genetic side of soil in itself. And so it really got me to explore a lot of the different avenues of soil populations and genetics, not involving animals, but rather involving bacteria and pathogens. And this relates a lot to my professional and personal goals because I intend to either work in a government lab or to continue to get my PhD. So this really allowed me to see how the structure of the lab works, as well as the different processes and different resources you have in a government lab, as well as the career paths that other PhD students have taken or my mentors have taken. And so I really got a lot of knowledge from this fellowship. So through this internship, I worked with so many people, but I'd like to thank again Dr. Amisha Peterson and Dr. Daniel Klupfel, but also Greg Brown, Phoebe Gordon, Holly Forbes, and Natalia Ott for designing and establishing the trial that I was analyzing, as well as the World Food Prize for allowing me to have this experience in the Wallace-Carver Fellowship. And I also would like to thank the secretaries Tom Vilsack, Dr. Shavonda Jacobs-Young, and ARS Administrator Simon Liu, Ms. Tracy Troutman, and Ms. Dominique Brown for making this opportunity possible. Thank you.